So this is just a quick how to do cut and splice. So first off, you import whatever it is you want. Now once I scale this up to the size I need, it will no longer fit on the build plate. So what we need to do is cut this so we can print it. So select the cut tool or C for the shortcut. Then it'll appear on the model. Now you can move this up and down by grabbing the yellow dot. You can also rotate this because sometimes you want to do it on a slant. So go ahead and pick out exactly where you want to first do the cut. Then we're going to go to the add connectors and click that. Now there's several different styles you can do: plain, square, round, hexagonal. I find the square easiest to line up a print. So first off we're going to select square, zoom in on the model a little bit so you can see it better. Click on the model and this will place one of the squares or locating pegs onto it. Now this will show the male only for the time being. Then by using the size you can make them bigger, smaller. You can place as many as you want onto the object. So I'm just using 2 here. I think that'll be sufficient. Once you click confirm connectors, it'll place the other piece directly on top. You then want to perform cut. That will then split the object into 2 separate pieces. So now put the pieces where you want. You can have separate plates. It is up to you. You can see on the underneath here, as we turn it around, there is the female pegs. Then now it's printed, you can see the male and the female. Just use a bit of super glue, stick them together, and the pieces will just wiggle their way in. And then there you'll have it. You'll have the one piece. Nice and easy. Okay, thanks for watching.